Pilots, arm your quads. We're going in less than 5.
Cyberdrone 27.6. Potato 32.3. Alien 33.5. Roboland 34.3. Cyberdrone 29.3, 1 minute left. Alien 32.5. Roboland 33.2. Potato 36 flat.
Currently have Cyberdrone in first, Alien in second, Roboland and Potato Yato in fourth.
Cyberdrone 26.9.
Cyberdrone with a 26.966 on his third lap.
Roboland 31.2.
Whoa, we got Roboland.
Potato 30.3. Alien
31 and Potato
34.3.
taken in second place over Roboland.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cyberdrone 33.1.
Potato just smoked the gate. Can he get back up? And no, he is done. Cyberdrone's also done, ending with 4 laps in 123.92. As we finish up with Alien and
Alien
Roboland
31 flat.
sneaks right
Alien
in
done
front
with
of
a
him with
137.8 top 3
4
consecutive result.
lap 213.
Roboland 32 flat. Roboland done with a 136.5 top 3
pilots,
consecutive
grab your
result.
quads. We are moving to the next round.
The race